Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. And just earlier today, I made this, and I started thinking there's a lot easier way. So if you didn't watch the first one, please watch it to get to this point. But I don't need those other lines. They're just kind of make it more difficult. So we're going to group these together. And all I did on this particular one was smart fill it. But then I'm going to angle this thing over. And then I'm going to go ahead and left click, right click. And then you've just got to use your imagination and some 2-point lines to fill in the blanks here. So we're going to take a 2-point line. We're going to go from there to there. Now we need that same angle. So we're going to hit the plus key on the keyboard and then move that up to there. No, that's too far. No, move it there. We want that 4-point cross. And then hit your plus key and just move it down to there. It doesn't even have to reach to the bottom. Now every one of these is a little bit different length because of the curvature of the box. And then hit the plus key again and then go from this side. So then all you have to do is create this inner color. We're going to use that same color we used earlier. And we're going to, that's all we need of that item. Now we're going to go ahead and take those and fill them with the blue, and we have it. It was that easy. Didn't have to manipulate, didn't have to move anything around. And then if you remember from the other video, we're going to, I'm holding down the shift and selecting all three, and then getting the interactive fill tool. And that way it does all three of them at once. We're going to add a little black, put on that end. We're going to go ahead and move this over to that side and add some black, but don't worry because we're going to double click and put our blue in the center so it looks like it. That might be the best one I've drawn yet. A lot more precise, a lot easier, and I like it. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.